Union Home Minister Amit Shah was addressing a rally in Manipur a short while ago, where he said that we won't let divide in Manipur. He said the differences will be solved without dividing Manipur. We've done over 10 peace deals in Northeast and have also reduced areas under AFSPA in Manipur.
मैं आज कह कर जाता हूं, मणिपुर को तोड़ने की किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है। हम मणिपुर को तोड़ने नहीं देंगे। सबसे बड़ी बात, कोई जितना भी जोर लगा दे, हम मणिपुर को टूटने नहीं देंगे। ये बात मैं आज कह कर जाता हूं।
All right, big statement coming in from Union Home Minister Amit Shah here. My colleague Ratnadeep also joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Ratnadeep, strong statement from the Home Minister here. Amit Shah says that we've done over 10 peace deals in Northeast. The differences in Manipur are going to be solved without breaking the state, and the election is going to be between forces who are trying to divide Manipur and those who are keeping it united.
Absolutely. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today not only made a very categorically strong statement, but he tried to send out a very strong political messaging for the voters in the inner Manipur seat. Remember, Manipur has 2 parliamentary constituencies. The inner Manipur seat is a mighty majority area where BJP is contesting. It has left the outer Manipur seat for its ally NPF, the Naga People's Front, and Amit Shah today categorically said that all the differences between the 2 warring communities for which there have been massive violence since May last year, these will be resolved by dialogue, but there would be no division of Manipur. Now this is significant given the fact that the Kuki-Zo community, their leadership have been time and again asking for a separate administration for the Kuki-Zo areas. This includes the 10 Kuki-Zo MLAs, which includes 7 from the BJP, who have time and again asked centre that they don't want to be part of the present administration and wants a separate administration, but perhaps indirectly Amit Shah ruling that out, and he categorically attacked the Congress, saying that it is the Congress and the India bloc which is trying to divide Manipur, also making a reference of the quote-unquote Tukre gang, where Amit Shah alleged that the Congress candidate it is also trying to divide Manipur. So therefore, he also touched upon the contentious issue of illegal immigration from Myanmar, which has been a very important discourse in Manipur, and he tried to pitch about why centre has decided to cancel the free movement regime between India and Myanmar, keeping in consideration the sentiments and the demands of the people of Manipur. So therefore, a clear reach out to the voters of inner Manipur, which is a majority area, and one has to wait and watch what will be the response from the Kuki-Zo civil society groups. But Amit Shah really making a pitch of united Manipur and attacking the Congress.
The Union Home Minister there reassuring the people of Manipur that in Manipur the BJP is up against the divisive forces. Tootne nahi denge. That's the message coming in from the Union Home Minister.